board 99 and 100 read.
Okay, then do it.
I did do it.
Lily, you did.
Yes.
I don't believe that.
Whatever, you don't have to believe it.
Do your reading.
I did the reading. You're not
I
even
don't
my
see
reading
it.
teacher. You're my math teacher. Why are you bothering me about reading?
I don't see it.
Fine. Oh my God. Come here. Oh. See?
Question 1 and 2 got done.
She said we didn't have to write any. She said we could just put one word down.
Miss Garland, she couldn't look.
Miss Garland, I did it. All right.
All right.